Hi students, welcome to political science class. Today's class I am going to discuss short and long answer questions from political science first chapter problems of India and their solutions. Okay, so all of you open your textbook and concentrate what I am saying. Okay, first para. First question, what are the problems of India? This is very important 3 mark question for exam. Okay, can you remember the problems of India? Unemployment, corruption, communalism, terrorism, states of women, corporate strategy. Okay, these 6 points you must write. Problems of India. Clear this? Next, third para you see. What is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where person doesn't find work according to his capacity or qualification. Okay, unemployment is a situation where person doesn't find work. Okay, according to his capacity or qualification. Here person who has capacity or qualification but also he can't get a job. That situation is called unemployment. Okay. Next, what are the important causes of unemployment? Okay. First one, improved technology. Okay, technology has improved too much. That is the main reason for unemployment. Okay. Next, huge population or increasing population. Okay. Third, shortage of natural resources. Okay, lack of natural resources. Then ruined cottage industries. Some cottage industries were destroyed. Okay. Next, lack of skill based education. Okay, modern education not giving any skill to students. Okay, this is the one more important reason, lack of skill based education. Okay. Next, over dependence on agriculture. Most of the people depends on agriculture. These are all the 6 reasons for unemployment. This is also very important 3 mark question for exam. Okay. So what is the poverty rate in India according to 2011 census? Okay, answer 21.9%. Okay, in India, according to 2011 census, poverty rate is 21.9%. Next, what are the measures taken to government to overcome unemployment in India? First point, central and state government has undertaken various measures to generate employment. First point. Second one, improve the skill level of job seekers. Okay, second point. Third one, providing loans and subsidy to engage in self-employment. Okay, next, providing job-oriented course to all. Okay, next, providing qualitative technical education. Okay, last one, handicraft products created. Okay, these are all the measures taken by government to overcome unemployment in India. Clear this? Okay. Next, next part, corruption. Okay, 63 page number. There corruption. First question, what is the important social evil in public life of India? What is the answer? Corruption. Okay, corruption is important social evil in public life of India. Okay, next, what is corruption? Corruption means offering bribe and following illegal means to get illegal benefit. Okay, corruption is offering bribe and following illegal means to achieve some illegal benefit. That is corruption. Okay. Next, what are the effects of corruption? Okay, first one, corruption influences both personal and public life of people, public sphere of life negatively. corruption influences both personal and public life of people. Okay, second, corruption influences social, economic and political life of India. Second point. Okay. Then third point, corruption of personal ethics and morality happens in a personal life. Next, in a public life, bribery, nepotism, caste favoritism, and intentional slowdown of work. These are the various forms of corruption in a public life. Clear this? Okay. Or this is the important 3-mark question. Sometimes this question asking for 2 mark also. How does they are asking question? List the various forms of corruption in public life. What you have to write? Bribery, next caste favoritism, next nepotism, and intentional slowdown of work. Okay, these 4 points you must write. Okay, if this question asked for 3 mark, as what are the effects of corruption? You write corruption influences both personal and public life of people. Okay, second, corruption influences social, economic and political life of India. Okay, third point, corruption of ethics. Okay, and morality happens in a personal life. Next, in public life, bribery, nepotism, caste favoritism, and intentional slowdown of work are the various forms of corruption in a public life. Okay, next. Next, in this part, very important question. What are the measures taken to overcome corruption in India? First one, installation of CC cameras. Okay, installing CC cameras. Okay, next, second one, educational institutions should lead in this direction. Okay, educational institution also take some measures. Okay, to educational institution must give some guidance to students. Okay, to control corruption. Okay, then next, increasing the number of courts and judges, increasing the number of courts and judges, and giving harsh or strict punishment to corrupt officials. Okay, next, giving if increasing the efficiency of government work. Okay, these are all the measures taken to overcome corruption in India. Clear this? In this part, these are the 4 important questions. Clear this? Next, this 64 page number, discrimination part open. In this part, first question, what are the measures taken to overcome gender discrimination in India? What are the measures taken to overcome gender discrimination in India? Let's answer first answer. Providing reservation in education and employment. Providing reservation in education and employment. Okay, next, second one, providing reservation in election of local bodies. Okay, providing reservation in election of local bodies. Third, 1/3 of the seats in providing providing reservation of 1/3 of seats in election, local elections. Reserving 1/3 of seats in local election. Third point. Fourth one, in Karnataka, 50% reservation have been given to women in a local body. Okay, these are all the measures taken to overcome discrimination between men and women or gender. Okay, what are the measures taken to overcome gender discrimination? These 4 points you must highlight. Okay, first one, providing reservation in employment and education. Second one, providing reservation in elections of local bodies. Okay, next reserved 1/3 of seats in local elections. Okay, in Karnataka 50% of reservation has been given to women in local bodies. These 4 points must write. Okay, next question. In Karnataka, how much reservation given to women in local bodies? What is the answer? 50%. Keep in your mind. Okay. Next, last para you see. Regional inequality. That para. First, why did Article 371 amended from A to J? Okay. One more question. Answer. Through these amendments, backward regions have been given special status. Okay, why did Article 371 amended from A to J? Through these amendment, backward regions have been given special status. Okay, next, what is the main aim of committee headed by D.M. Nanjundappa? Okay, what is the answer? This committee gave special report on removing regional imbalance in India. Okay, or a simple answer. Okay, the main aim of this committee is to solve regional inequalities in India. Okay, next, what is the importance of Article 371J? Here only J is there. First beginning I asked one question, A to J, but this one only J. 3 article. What is the importance of 371J? What is the answer? Some of the most backward regions of Karnataka accorded special status. Okay, some of the most backward regions of Karnataka accorded special status. Don't get confusion here. Okay, next in this part, 3-mark question. First one, how does regional inequality affects national development? Okay, what is the answer? Regional inequality is like gender and caste based discrimination pose the big challenge to India. Okay, second point, some regions of our country achieved lot of progress, but some parts remained backward. Second point. Okay, next, here, to remove these inequalities, Article 371 amended from A to J. Through this amendment, most backward regions have been given special status. Okay, but some states demanding independent social status. Okay, so in this way, regional inequality it affecting on a national development. Clear this? Okay, now this is the 3-mark question. Next, one more question. What are the measures taken to remove regional inequality in India? First point you must write, Article 371 amended from A to J. Second point, through this amendment, most backward regions have been given special status. Second point. Third point, in Karnataka, committee headed by D.M. Nanjundappa submitted or given special report on various measures needed to solve regional imbalance in India. Last point, as a result of this, most backward regions of Karnataka accorded special status. These are all the measures taken to overcome regional imbalance in India. Clear this? Please concentrate on communalism. In this part, one more question. What is communalism? Segregation in the name of the religion and creating hatred and cultivating opposite self-interest is called communalism. Clear this? Segregation in the name of religion division in the name of religion. Next, creating hatred. Okay, creating enmity or hatred. Then cultivating opposite self-interest. Okay, cultivating opposite self-interest is called communalism. Okay, next, in this part, very important 3-mark question. What are the effects of communalism? Okay, first one, it creates social differences, mutual suspicion and fear situation in the society. It creates social differences, mutual suspicion and fear situation in the society. Okay, then second one, social groupism, then a political competition and economic hatred expressed in a communalism. This is the second point. Third one, communalism has capacity to endanger the integrity of the country. Communalism has a capacity to endanger the integrity or unity of nation. Okay. Next, it destroys private and public property. Communalism destroys public and private property. Next, it disturbs peace of the country. Communalism disturbs peace of the country. Okay, next, communalism leads to mutual accusations, physical assault and some other undesirable effects. Okay, these are all the effects of communalism. Okay, one more point, communalism puts self-interest ahead of national interest. Okay, these are all the effects of communalism. Okay, now we may learn what are the measures taken to overcome communalism. Okay, first one, uniform civil code. Okay, same rules for all people. Okay, then next, equality among the all citizens. All are equal. Okay, next, supporting secular values in the society. Okay, supporting secular values in the society. Third point. Then fourth one, develop healthy national thoughts. Develop healthy national thoughts. Okay, next, attempts should be made to foster the faith of all people. Some efforts made to foster or develop the faith of all people. Okay, these are all the measures taken to overcome communalism from our country. Clear this? This is the very important 3-mark question. Okay, next, status of, concentrate on status of women, page number 66. Okay, in this part, very important question. What are the measures taken to improve the status of women in India? First point, Government of India has started Child and Women Development Department to improve the status and education of women. Okay, one point. Okay, Government of India has started Child and Women Development Department to improve the status and education of women. Okay, first point. Second one, Karnataka government of Karnataka has implemented Stree Shakti program. Okay, Karnataka government has implemented Stree Shakti program. Keep in your mind. Okay, next, third point. Women commissions have been established at national level and state level. Okay, women commissions established for the purpose of solving the problem of people. Women commissions have been established at national and state levels. Okay. Next, women reservation have been given in government recruitments or government jobs. Then women reservation have been given in local bodies. Okay. Next, women reservation have been given in national and state legislative bodies. Okay, these are all the measures taken to overcome, taken to improve the conditions of women in India. Clear this? Okay. Next, one mark type questions. Was appointed as the first female president of India? Pratibha Patil. Was appointed as the first female prime minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Was appointed as first female chief minister of India? Sucheta Kripalani. Okay. Who was appointed as the first female governor of India? Sarojini Naidu. These are all one mark type of questions. Okay. Now, open page number 67. Concentrate on terrorism. In this part, what is terrorism? One mark question. Okay, terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end by creating panic and violence. Terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end by violence and panic. Okay. Next, what are the effects of terrorism? First one, terrorism feeds fear of the people. Okay, terrorism feeds fear of the people. Next, terrorists target busy areas. Okay, such as railway stations, bus stands, bus stations. Okay, airports, markets, and some other places. Terrorist targets busy areas like airports, bus stations, markets, and some other areas. Next, terrorists target civilians of the country and military base. Terrorists target civilians of the country and military base. Next, terrorists target specific communities. Fourth, terrorists target specific communities. Next, terrorists use tactics such as suicide bombing, kidnapping innocent people to achieve their goal. Okay, these are all the effects of terrorism. Okay. Next, when was Taj Hotel in Mumbai was attacked? On November 26, 2007. Okay. Next, which are the two countries supporting terrorism in India? Pakistan and China. Okay. Next, what are the measures to overcome terrorism in India? Okay, this is the 3 mark question. Okay, first one, India has always opposed terrorism in other countries. Okay, second one, our state and central government taken various measures to stop terrorism. Second point. Okay, third one, state and central government have created special elite forces to control terrorism. India is a peace-loving country and undertaken many initiatives to control terrorism. Okay. Next, last point. Our state and central governments took the responsibility. Have taken took. State and central government always try to protect the life and property of the people. These are all the measures taken to overcome terrorism in India. Okay, next one. Love and peace are greater than violence and hate. Prove it. Okay, you must write full para. Okay, first one, look into history. Very little has been achieved by violent activities like terrorism. Okay, first point, look into the history. Very little has been achieved by violent activities like terrorism. Okay, second point, history has been made by employing truth, non-violence and love. Okay, Next, third, killing of people like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi did not erase their efforts to get a progress through peace. Third point. Okay, next, actions of Gautam Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus Christ, Muhammad Paigambar, Ambedkar, Martin Luther and Nelson Mandela have given new light, new path and new life to people all over the world. So love and peace are greater than violence and hate. Clear this? Okay. Next, last problem of a country, that is not a problem but a big challenge. Okay, that is corporate strategy. Okay, what is the biggest challenge in front of Indian society since the beginning of 21st century? What is the answer? Corporate strategy. Keep in your mind. One more question. What is the biggest challenge in front of Indian society since the beginning of 21st century? Okay, answer corporate strategy. Second question, what is corporate strategy? A group administrative measure undertaken by company to achieve premeditated target is called corporate strategy. Clear this? Group administrative measure undertaken by company to achieve premeditated target is called corporate strategy. Okay, write the present status of corporate strategy. Okay, this is the 4-mark question. What is corporate strategy? Write about its present status. Okay, first you must write meaning. Next, modern day, the present day corporate strategies using globalized environment and modern technology. Second point. Okay, then a third point, the main aim of corporate strategy is to maximize the profit of the company. Okay, next, fourth point, this affects the people, society and the country. Okay, this affects the people, society and the country. Okay, last one, corporate strategies influence the decisions of government also. Okay, these are all the present conditions of a corporate strategy. Okay, in this part, how does, which are the problems were able to solve by the effort of corporate companies? Okay, which is the answer? First one, poverty. Next, malnutrition. Next, skill training. Okay, then health problems. Okay, which are the problems solved by the effort of corporate companies? First one, poverty, malnutrition, skill training and health problem. Okay, next, through which, one more question, through which program corporate companies were successful in elevating problems like poverty, malnutrition, then health, skill training, etc. Which program is that? Corporate social responsibility. Clear this? These are all very important questions for exam from these chapters. I discussed almost all question answers from this part. Okay, if you make all these question answers perfect, definitely you can score very well. Okay, thank you students.